Well, I don't know King Lazarus, and we are representing to the fullest Jamaica to Trinidad, Caribbean and the world. We don't want no more bloodshed, no innocent dead. A message we are send to all the kill them. No more bloodshed, no innocent dead. A message we are send. It's a state of emergency. The people need help urgently. Watch yourself when you're walking on the street. Broad daylight and gunshot a beat. It's sleeping and moaning and gnashing of teeth. It's bloodshed, warring on the street. Eradicate poverty and crime would cease. Somebody start rowdy. Election time when they're coming on the street. Full up the people with them hopes and dreams. Unfulfilled promises. Tired to hear the people, but we don't want no more bloodshed. No innocent dead. A message we are sent to all the kingdom. No more bloodshed. No innocent dead. A message we are sent. We don't want no more bloodshed. No innocent dead. A message we are sent.
Shot. The residents claimed the men were not killed in a shootout as the police reported.
Murder. Police murder against the citizen. These youth is evil a gunman. A window they put in. What kind of brutality is in the state? We need the state to come together to rescue the children them and stop kill them.
Work, you them go work. That's your two class of murder you them a joking brother. They could have killed me too. Me a fisherman. They could have killed me too. Come work.
Things escalated at points on Saturday afternoon as some police officers and residents got involved in a shoving match. That was followed by some residents hurling stones at the police. Explosions were then heard. We were not able to tell if they were gunshots. Pepper spray was also used to try and control the crowd. A member of the St. Catherine South Police leadership managed to reason with some residents and get a level of calm.
So we have some police, not the external that you are upset with. That's why we don't know the full situation. So we have our investigators, we have indicom investigators, but we do not want them to...
You know, somebody told me something about Jamaica. A friend of mine, he was in the US Army, and in the time, I shouldn't say the time, but he was stationed in the Middle East amongst other places. And he once said to me that Jamaica is like Afghanistan. Yeah. And I said, what do you mean? Because it seemed hard to believe. But he was making that in comparison is that the crime and the murder and the criminal element, they have taken on a terrorist name, or they doing terrorist acts. And I noticed the government has changed the language when they talk about these kind of killings and stuff. So then I started researching more. And it seems like Jamaica has taken up the way how America fight terrorists, and that's how they're fighting the crime and the civilian in Jamaica. I am going to explain that to you so in layman's terms so you can understand it. The US and Jamaica, or I said Jamaica, let me use Jamaica, used to come in the neighborhood, chase down the man them, like Bigger Steve, Bigger Ford and all of them man there, the police boy them. But now, it's different. Now they're driven by intelligence. And once they get the intelligence, they come in and they do a surgical strike. That means it's less policeman getting hurt and them get to the target. And that's what I have noticed in Jamaica. With that said, in this case, the residents them is adamant that these young men are not gunmen, and they feel like the police kill the man them for no reason. I cannot feel the same way even though I don't know the case, or even if the man them do have a gun. I think is the wrong way of dealing with it. Because I've said this in the past, they're training our citizens to be urban guerrilla fighters. Now, this is where I have a little bit of discrepancy with the residents' theory.
The circumstances leading to the incident are being ascertained by Indicom utilizing all available evidential options. The Indicom forensic team processed the incident scene, collected the requisite exhibits, and boxed the firearms reportedly involved. In addition to the investigative steps we have taken and are taking, Indicom's family liaison officer will be making contact with the family members of both Mr. Bailey and Mr. Mackenzie.
You guys heard that just now, and what Indicom is saying, that they bagged some gun, 2 firearms, and they got some spent shells, and their forensic team has gotten it. This is one of the quickest I've ever seen Indicom work, but you know, Indicom is saying that they bagged the gun, and I am gonna stick my neck out for Indicom, but I feel Indicom is not lying. They did find a gun. The question is, the residents are saying no, the man them never have no gun, is not a shootout, and the police them is saying a shootout. So the question is, who do you believe? Because the police them have no credibility. And right now, a friend of mine is going through a case right there in Jamaica. I did a part 1 video, and I'm supposed to do the part 2. But you guys listen to this. Before we get into the video, I want you to check out Countryman Canada, the YouTube channel, and also check out the WhatsApp group down below. You understand? In the group, we share information, we talk about a lot of stuff, and any ideas, any kind of videos you guys want me to make, I'll make it for you as long as it's possible for me to do it. So remember, check out the WhatsApp group. Now, let's go. Now, the clip I'm gonna play, this is a part 2 from a series of video that I'm doing, but I'm just playing one clip out of the series of video to let you guys understand with the dynamics with the police brutality and the corruption. So it's hard for us to even cipher good policing. So maybe the man them did shoot off of the police then, but we don't know, because listen to this that happened to this taxi driver, dog. It's really crazy. Listen to this.
Yeah man, Countryman. I call on behalf of a man who got shot in him back. He's a taxi driver, you know, and a man come charter me. Say now collect a money from somebody who Portmore. Boy, at first never have this experience like this. Never know say police are so wicked. You see, you know, see me drive and I carry the man on the charter. I go Portmore and the man light one chalice in the car for me. I started to smoke, you know, I just said to the man, say, oh big man, you cannot smoke in the car, because the vehicle is the public passenger vehicle, and me no smoke. Now I'm not drinking, better you make me find somewhere and stop, so you can smoke. So the man agree and say, right, then find somewhere and stop, come here to go smoke me thing, you know. You have to hold my local vibes. Yeah, so now I go so bam now and pull up on the roadway, stop somewhere on the roadway. And then it's like the man step out of the vehicle, and I watch the man and the man come out of the vehicle. So I see him go on light post and the man shut a piece. Then the man go sit down on the sidewalk and I light post him. You see me? It was a bright and a bright morning, like say the street light bulb them with the hand same way, so you know say it never well bright out yet. But the whole place bright up push out with it there. All of a sudden, but long story short, all of a sudden, when we look now, we just saw one private motor vehicle swing on the corner and a man in it. The driver exit him alone in the vehicle. The man exit out of the vehicle and come out with a long magazine and go and run over to me. I say, boy, police, come out of the car and stick me up. So you see the man now, whichever passenger where did travel with me when me stop to make him smoke. Him sit down on the sidewalk and smoke good and see somebody stick me up. Crossway on the other side of the road. So him get up off the sidewalk and start run. Cause he might good eye. Somebody to himself say, well, that person good eye be gunman. So the man take himself now and start run on the road. So as soon as me open the door and I come out to the man and stick me up and I say police now. The man leave me alone and start run down the man, which are the passenger, where the inner the car will sit down and set up a smoke and run him down and go down the road. Boy, lick 2 shots on him. So me see the man a pitch over now and drop a gun now. Me run back to the vehicle now. Man, boy, half of me too, down the road, because at that time they made there to look a distance from him now. But anyway, God just step on my side and the shot where him lick off of me, no catch me. But me take myself to the car, take myself and over the which part of the incident happened. And I try go in search of the passenger now, like to try to find him, family member them, and find out what really happened, because at first something like this could have ever happened, you know. So me I just think to myself, so then I wonder if a gunman or the other man will come like him about out say police. But me look on him waist, me see about 3 other his magazine there on him waist, on him belt. So me just somebody say the man I would have police issue, because the man resemble one regular policeman over 100 man station when he is Sergeant Walters. Him resemble Mr. Walters, the man who stick me up and say police, say boy come out of the car. Yeah.
The person that you just hear, it's a taxi man. And like I said, I'm about to do the video with him. That what happened to the young man he was given a ride. But I just played to show you guys the big discrepancy, because you hear what the taxi man said. A man come on and say police don't move, but the man in a plain clothes, the youth a burn a spliff or a chalice, hear the commotion and run. When the youth run, the police boy shoot him in the back. Shoot off him and run off him. Him get shot in the back. Taxi man say when him run, the police boy or whoever run down the youth, him cut. You understand? Now, long story short, a whole heap of things are going with that case here, with the policeman and the taxi man and the youth. And like I said, I never explain it in another video, but like me just show it, say, kinda show the unscrupulous police activity that goes on in Jamaica. So with this situation right here in Harbour, we cannot put it past the police, because this is in St. Catherine. You have the 100-man police station. It seems like the country police them more corrupt than the town police them. With that said, the people them in Harbour they're adamant that these 2 young youth wasn't doing a shootout or anything. Now, before I end this video, back to what I was saying when I first started. The Jamaican police force, they have adopted a tactics used by the US Army to fight terrorists. So how they do it now, they get intel. And once they get intel, then they take out the target. So instead of running in and shoot out with police and them thing there, the police they move away from that and they're getting intel, work with informer, whatever way, drones, bug your phone, whatever. So Jamaica police, that's how they're fighting crime now, surgically and executing the problem that they see. So these two young men could be a part of something like that, where somebody inform or tell upon them so them have a one gun, you understand? Because there is no way any man in them right mind in Jamaica is gonna shoot out with them blood clot. Police tell you one little blood clot done. Yo, that's a swear, that's a suicide by cop. So, it just doesn't make sense. You have your one gun, you take off your clothes, you strip down, and you on up your gun, and you turn in your blood clot self. You understand? But don't try engage the law enforcement, because you're gonna be fucked up. So with that said, I'm gonna roll up this video and want to check out the rest of the video them. The Vibes Cartel thing one, the Sean Storm, and one of my favorite guy, he's back in town, Shotty Mark. I'll be talking about him, that's my favorite guy right there. Also, there's something else I need to say, and I can't remember right now. You see what my brain is? The day I smoke a spliff, I forget what I'm supposed to tell you. But me remember another time, yeah man. With that said, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I will.